Hi. Hi. What was that?
I guess I was too nice to him up front. Because there were some older people here who were after us. Were after me and standing in line. And, nobody was here yet. So I said, looks like I can shovel me around. I didn't expect to be the last one.
Uh-oh, hiccups. He says, forget it, I want the camera.
You can't have the camera.
But I want it.
You can't have the camera.
Are we going to end up being the last ones?
Some more
There's more coming?
Yes, sir. You'll not.
No, as long as we're not going to be last, because I don't want to be sitting there.
I love my
Nice to
mommy.
meet you. No, we didn't.
I love my mommy. Where's the food? Say, where's the food at?
Give me 5.